Good evening and thank you for tuning into this video. So we've been working with adding and subtracting fractions and also adding and subtracting mixed numbers. Tonight we're going to talk about multiplying fractions. So go ahead and underline the sentence. To multiply fractions, you just multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators, and then you simplify. In fact, I think multiplying fractions is easier than adding or subtracting fractions. Let's look at the first example. The first example I have is 4 over 5 times 6 over 7. Now, when you make your multiplication symbol, be sure to use the dot. Don't put an X because that's kind of confusing with an X. So I have 4 over 5 times 6 over 7. So to multiply, I'm just going to literally multiply the numerators together and then multiply the denominators together. 4 times 6 is 24, so I get 24 on top. 5 times 7 is 35, so just gonna have a 35 on bottom. And that is literally it, because 24 over 35 cannot be simplified. So my final answer is just 24 over 35. Pretty simple, right? Let's try one more. My next example is 4 times 9 over 8. You might be thinking, oh no, how do I multiply a whole number by a fraction? Remember though, a whole number such as 4 can be written as a fraction. In fact, 4 can be written as 4 over 1. So what I really have is 4 over 1 times 9 over 8. Now once again, I just multiply the tops and then multiply the bottoms. 4 times 9 is 36, so I get 36 on top. And then 1 times 8 is 8, and so I get 8 on bottom. Now I just have to simplify this. So to simplify, you think, well, 4 goes into both 36 and 8. 4 goes into 36 9 times, and it goes into 8 2 times. So I divided the top and bottom by 4. Now all I have to do is convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. So I'm going to go ahead to do my scratch work. 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. And then I get a remainder of 1. So my final answer is going to be 4 as my whole number, with my 1 as my numerator, and 2 as my denominator. So my final answer is just 4.5. Okay, why don't you try the next 2 practice problems by yourself, and I'll check in with you in the morning. God bless you and have a good evening.